Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here. Greetings of the year, I hope you guys have a fantastic year ahead. I'm here with a list of 20 awesome Android apps again. Make sure to check out our best apps of 2018 where you'll surely find some amazing apps. Links in the description. Now without any further ado, let's get this started. Starting off with Brilliant. This is a learning app and it's designed in such a way that it's suitable for all ages. It's quite fun, let me tell you how. At the start, you get to choose whether you want to learn something for your work, enhance your skills, or you just want to do this for fun. After that, you are presented with various topics and categories like logical questions, computer, maths, physics, etc. So choose the one you like. I find myself spending a lot of time on logical questions. As you can see here, you get a problem and then you need to solve it using your logical skills. Quite fun. Likewise, you can choose any other topic from their huge collection. It's quite a fun app to enhance your skills. If not, it's a great time killer, and the best thing is, this goes for people of all ages. Give it a try. Next up is a notification. Sometimes you accidentally swipe away notifications or clear all notifications. In such scenario, you miss some important notifications and can't get back to it. With this app, you never miss your important notifications. Whenever you swipe away a notification, a prompt will ask you again if you want to undo and bring the notification back. This will save the notification for later access. And if you don't want to save that notification, you can simply wait for the timeout or expand the notification to ignore it. From the app, you can add apps to your blacklist to never save notifications. As in, you'll not be prompted. You can simply clear it, so all the not so important apps you don't want to save notifications from can be added here. You can see your notification logs and its details, set the notification timeout and other options. Quite a handy app. Next up, the name's disappointment but the app isn't. Well, this is amongst my recent favorite, and this app is targeted towards people who appreciates dark humor. The app makes you laugh and at the same time pity on yourself. Just go through the codes and you will realize how amazing this app is. You will be addicted. You can just simply tap to read the next message or quote, whatever you like to call it. You can share these messages right from this app to your social media, and from settings you can customize the UI. Just give this app a try, you will love this. Next up is Orphic. This is a vocabulary builder, and so far the best I have come across. It helps you learn new and unique words, including its meaning, synonyms, examples, and even pronunciation. On the slider menu, you have additional categories like you can see word of the day, you get filter options, and so on. So if you want to build your vocabulary, definitely give this app a try. Next up is Links. This is a vault app that can be used to store your private photos and videos from your default gallery to this app and have it removed from the gallery. Another highlight of this app is that you get 5 GB of free cloud storage. Really handy to store your private pictures and if you're running out of space. Also, this vault app offers some handy tools like camouflage mode that makes this app look different, fake links that will open a fake gallery when you enter the fake pin, break-in alert that will take the picture whenever someone enters a wrong password. Furthermore, you can also secure this app using your fingerprint, so if you're looking for a vault app, this is amongst the best choice. Next up is Hide. We all have that moment where we want to see messages on our social messengers but don't want to reply to it, and this is where this app comes in handy. This app will work like an incognito mode on your social apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Viber. So how this works is whenever you receive messages from any of these apps, the conversation will show up here and you can read your messages from Hide without letting your contacts know that you have read the messages or you were even active. Not just the conversations, but you can also view stories and moments. I use this app mostly for Viber and WhatsApp as I can reply to my important messages and skip unnecessary ones. Next up is Away. We all have that out of place messages in unwanted situations like meetings, traveling, etc. Well, this app auto-replies to your conversations on WhatsApp, Messenger, Viber, or any of these apps when you're not able to respond. Here are the default templates of what to reply, or you can even create a custom reply as well. You can also set the app to auto-reply only to specific messages and set the app to reply only to specific contacts or groups. For me, this app has been very handy while driving. Next up is Typing Hero. Basically, with this app you can assign keyboard shortcuts that replaces short letters with sentences. For instance, I input talk to you later for TTYL, DD for driving, will get back in a while. Let's say these are the examples. Now whenever I type these shortcuts on any messenger, it automatically replaces to the full sentence, as you can see here. Similarly, you can assign any other shortcuts you want, which makes things quite easy. Next up is 1.1.1.1 faster and safer internet. Unknowingly, ISPs do try to scoop your data. So what this app does is it protects your privacy by changing the DNS. Let's not get into technicalities. In simple words, enabling this will make your connection more secure and faster with the best possible DNS so that you can connect to internet and access all the websites blocked from your ISP. And this works, guys. Give it a shot. Next up is 1Password. If you seem to forget your password a lot, you need a password manager where you can save all your passwords. This is amongst the best password manager app that can be used for saving secure infos like bank account details, credit card details, login details, Wi-Fi info, secure notes, and many more. What I like about this app is that it's secure. You can lock this app with your fingerprint and your master passcode, and it also has its own secure browser for secure logins. Also, while adding any login details, you can use the password generator for password ideas. So with this app, you are worry-free about forgetting your passwords. Just have all your info saved here and you are totally good to go. Next up is CleanFox. Unknowingly, we subscribe to many newsletters which eventually spams our inbox, and most of them takes a lot of space over time and are useless. Also, it fills up your email, which distracts you from your important mails. So this app right here is very handy to remove and unsubscribe from all the unwanted mails. As you can see here, you can see the number of emails from different senders. And below that, you get options to delete, keep, or unsubscribe, which is the key feature of this app. So for a much organized mailbox, this is a must-have app. Next up is Musical.ly. This is amongst my favorite music player. It offers a lot of features like lyric support. You can browse through your storage right from this music player and a detailed equalizer. From now playing, you can swipe up and down to change the track, access additional controls like play speed, set as ringtone, move songs to other folder right from this player, and many more. Furthermore, you can even set a timer for the app to stop automatically, change the UI, accents when the headphone is connected, widget and lock screen settings, and advanced settings for extra controls and functionality. One cool feature here is you can enable Musical.ly lock screen, which adds more functionality to the music player while the device is locked. So if you are looking for a music player, definitely give this app a try. Next up is PhotoTime. This app is great for photographers. Basically, this app gives you a detailed information about the golden hour and blue hour. These hours are perfect for photography. You get precise details about the sunrise and sunset according to the location you give. So if you're planning to go somewhere for a photo shoot, this app can come in really handy as you can see what time will be the best for you. Next up is Walle. This app brings us stylish wallpapers and artworks from various artists. You can choose your wallpaper from different categories. As you can see here, you get loads of it. Moreover, it even offers featured, popular, and recent wallpapers. And as we select a wallpaper, you have the option to download it or set it as a wallpaper. Plus, you do have a description about the author and all his works below. This has been my all-time favorite wallpaper app. So while on wallpaper, let's talk about a live wallpaper as well. It's called the Forest Live Wallpaper. It's a nice and relaxing live wallpaper with changing environments according to the time and weather. The details here are fantastic, like the sky, trees blowing in the wind, rainfall, snow, etc. Moreover, you can customize the colors for the mountains, trees, and the grass, which is quite cool, and enable parallax effect for a visual treat. This is a light live wallpaper, so the battery life won't be affected unless you turn on the parallax effect. Give it a try. Next up is CocoCast. As the name implies, this app helps you cast your media onto your TV with extra options. You can select from popular video websites to cast videos, or enter an URL manually to cast videos from other websites. The best thing about this app is you can cast any videos to your TV from any websites, for example, ESPN, Netflix, etc. Another plus point is you can also stream videos that are saved on your storage. I'm using this app to cast movies from its recommended websites, as you can see here. And not only movies, you can even cast music from SoundCloud and Mixcloud. Very useful app, give it a shot. Next up is World Around Me. As the name implies, this app will show you the point of interest that are around you, like restaurants, ATMs, hospitals, shopping malls, movie theaters, and many more. All these are well categorized, which really adds to the user experience. This app can come in really handy while traveling or even locally, as you may not know every fuel stations, hospitals, or important locations around you. The main highlight of this app is when you choose your point of interest, this app will use the camera and show you where or which direction you should be heading. The AI feature is super cool and very accurate. Moreover, you can also change the AI feature to just list or maps. Once you have chosen where you want to go, you get info about the place like its rating, phone number, and directions to it. This is a really cool app and one of my favorite of recent times, and I believe this can perfectly replace your default maps. Next up is Adobe Spark Post. If you need attractive and stylish picture posts for your social medias, this app is just perfect. It offers wide range of templates to choose from, so just select the one you like and then start designing your template. You can change the font, background, try different filters and presets to perfectly match your style. You can also add your own pictures for the background, and while selecting multiple pictures, it will auto-generate a collage effect. The good thing about this app is the aspect ratio can be chosen as per your social media, which makes things quite easy. Next up is ShapeX. This is an amazing app for people who are into graphics, design, photography, handling business pages on Facebook, etc. First up, this app allows you to browse from tons of free pictures that you can use for your personal or professional work. For example, if you handle a food page, you can search for free food pics. All the pictures are high-res and high quality. Secondly, you can add unique elements to the pictures to create unique and artistic pictures. You have various elements to choose from, and then you can customize it as per your preference. Like you can edit its color, play around with tools, add various effects to be more creative. All in all, I find this photo editing app quite unique, and I think this is definitely a must-try. Last but not the least is Apex Weather. This is a weather app with detailed information on current weather, hourly weather, and even weekly weather reports. Furthermore, you can even view lunar phases, weather radar, and news to get you started with your day. These are really cool stuff that we don't usually see on weather apps. The UI also has this parallax effect, which represents the current weather and changes according to it. And for widgets, you have tons of options. An amazing weather app. Well, that was the list, guys. I hope you found some useful apps here. If you have any recommendations, feel free to comment it down below. Stay tuned for more upcoming contents, and I will catch you guys in the next one.